Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on applying to become a MaxBounty affiliate. In this video, we're going to be taking you through each section of our affiliate application, giving you a better idea of what it is we're looking for to ensure your application gets approved. First, select No when asked if you have an account with us already, and then just put in your first and last name. Under company name, put in your business if you have one, or if you work with a group of people. If you don't have those, feel free to just leave this section blank, as it's not a mandatory field. Next, put in your email. Ensure this is an email you want attached to your MaxBounty account and that you check regularly, as it is where we'll be sending you your confirmation email at the end of this. And then just put in your password a couple times. Always good to double check for any typos as well. Here you'll be putting in your phone number, as well as an alternate phone number if you have one. Then, select your time zone from the drop-down menu. This is important because it will determine when your affiliate manager contacts you. You'll get to specify that even further here in the next section. Let's say you like to sleep in a little bit, so we'll go with late morning. Then, put in your Skype handle if you have one. Your affiliate manager will also use this to contact you. However, this isn't a mandatory field either, so you can leave it blank if you don't have a Skype. Next, put in all your address info. Ensure that it is accurate and up to date. Let's say Affiliateville is in New York. Now, if you're not from North America, you would put your state and province in that field and then leave this field blank. But for the purpose of this, we're going to stick with New York. Then select your country. Obviously, we're going to choose United States. And then just put in your postal code as well. Now this is probably the most important section in the entire application. It's going to also have the largest bearing on whether or not your application gets approved. It's important that you answer each question honestly here. First, how did you hear about us? How did you get to our application page? Maybe you saw an ad on Google, came across a YouTube video, or one of our blog posts. Let's say we met each other at a conference. Next, we want to know what your experience level is. Once again, please be honest here. MaxBounty does accept beginner affiliates, so if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to tell us that. Let's say you have some experience and you've received at least one payment before from another network. Now in this field, we want you to get specific. Describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. You can tell us about which campaigns you've promoted before, if you have worked with other networks, which ones, if you've earned payments before, how many, as well as what niches or verticals you're interested in. If you don't have any experience and you're a complete beginner, just tell us that. It's also important to note that this field requires 50 to 200 characters, not words. We've seen affiliates get confused by that in the past. Now this field is probably the most important one. We want to know what your plan is for promoting campaigns at MaxBounty if you're approved. Tell us which traffic types you plan to utilize, and if you're using any third-party traffic sources, let us know which ones. We just want an idea of what your overall promotional strategy will be. In this next field, let us know what campaigns you're looking for. Let's say you run a health blog, so you're looking for some health, diet, or fitness campaigns. Next, you can put in your website URL if you have one. If you do own a blog or even a landing page, you can put that here. If you don't have a website, you can leave that blank. Double check your answers before clicking next.
So guys, if you manage multiple accounts, whether for affiliate marketing or social media, I know how much of a hassle it can be. But recently, I found a tool that makes life a lot easier. Go login. I've been using it for quite some time, and to be honest, it's a game changer. Imagine if your account gets banned for no reason. It's super frustrating, right? All the forms, freezes, and the time wasted creating new accounts. GoLogin has your back. It's an anti-detect browser that helps prevent account bans so you can work without worry. Another big issue is handling multiple accounts. Logging in and out repeatedly and managing everything separately can be so confusing. But with GoLogin, you can manage everything from one place without any hassle. Honestly, GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. It makes things so smooth. Sometimes, your activity can seem suspicious to the platform, leading to restrictions. But GoLogin helps you avoid detection, keeping you under the radar so you don't face unnecessary problems. The best part? It's super easy to use. If you want to manage multiple accounts or are into affiliate marketing, this tool is a must-have. Plus, there's a special offer: you'll get a 40% discount if you sign up using the link below. Give GoLogin a try because GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting.
In this next section, you just need to upload pictures of the front and back of your ID. The reason we ask for this is to reduce fraud, which in return allows us to provide the best possible brands and campaigns for you. Ensure the name on your ID matches the one you put in at the beginning of the application. If it doesn't, go back and change that name now. Lastly, check these few boxes to confirm that you agree with MaxBounty's affiliate terms and conditions, including not sharing or trading your account to another party. If you click here, you can see the full list of our affiliate terms and conditions. Once you're done reading that, go back to the application page and click the final box saying that you agree, and then submit your application. And that's it. Your affiliate application has now been submitted to MaxBounty. This page goes over what the next steps will be, including heading over to your email to click the confirmation link you likely just received. From there, our compliance and affiliate management teams will review your application before contacting you for a brief telephone interview. In this interview, your affiliate manager will just go over some of the information in your application, like your plan for promoting campaigns. I wouldn't sweat it too much. If you decide you want to reach out to them before they contact you, please do so through their email or phone number, not their Skype. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. You can click the link in the description